Hello and welcome. I'm Gunjan Bidani. As the whole world battles the coronavirus pandemic, every single day is bringing in hope. Hope of a breakthrough, hope of a new vaccine. In this COVID 19 bulletin, we bring you facets of that hope, curated information on the new developments in science and technology each day that can help us in managing and overcoming the ongoing crisis. Personal protective equipment is the only armor available to doctors and healthcare workers while they treat and nurse COVID 19 patients. To ensure that PPE protects them effectively, it is important that proper protocols are followed while donning or the process of wearing a PPE and doffing or the process of removing PPE. Now, Indian Institute of Technology or IIT Madras and Chengalpettu Government Hospital have designed and developed a modular doffing unit which allows safe removal of PPE by medical workers. The unit will ensure that medical professionals do not carry any infection once they leave the hospital after duty. One such unit has now been installed in Chengalpettu Government Medical College and Hospital for use. Let's hear more about this unit from Professor Koshi Varghese, who is a professor at Indian Institute of Technology or IIT Madras.
COVID, what we have is a highly infectious disease which is widespread. So the way you actually put on your PPE and then more importantly, the way you take it off becomes very important because the PPE is now infected. And if you don't take the PPE off properly and dispose it properly or get it cleaned properly, the PPE itself becomes a source for infection. So that is why doffing becomes very important, because a healthcare worker who now has been in the infection ward, exposed to infection, the PPE is exposed to infection, comes out, cannot take it off just as they would do, ordinarily. They will have to go to a place which they have to take and follow a certain process and dispose the PPE in a certain way so that it can be taken and then sterilized or disposed. So this is what doffing means. That is the way to take off a PPE without infecting oneself or causing risk for infection for others. A team of doctors from Chengalpet Medical College and Hospital found that doffing units are required when COVID patients are actually hosted in wards which are not made for infectious diseases. So as COVID is rampant, we'll find that many of our hospitals which have general wards where COVID patients are accommodated, and these wards don't come with specialized areas for doffing. So that is when the need for such units become very important. This might be a need felt across the country because in several places we will not have facilities for infectious wards. We'll have general ward facilities which will need to be supported by such units.
Various technologies are currently being used to prevent the spread of coronavirus infection. Among them is the thermal scanner, which tells about the body temperature of an individual. As fever can be one of the symptoms of coronavirus infection, thermal scanners are being used to identify ill people who might be infected. The Technology Development Board, which is under the Department of Science and Technology, has invited proposals for cheap and more convenient thermal scanners. Thermal scanners are now being deployed at various places, which has increased its demand nationwide. In response to this heightened demand, various companies and startups are coming up with innovative designs of thermal scanners. One such example is a contactless thermal scanner, which helps in keeping social distance between the personnel taking temperature and those getting checked. More such innovations will help us to manage the COVID 19 crisis in a better manner. India Science Technology and Innovation Portal or ISTI is playing an important role by compiling all the important and validated information related to COVID 19 on their portal. ISTI is a one-stop window for information about developments in India on science, technology and innovation. The portal has been developed by Vigyan Prasar, which is an autonomous organization of the Department of Science and Technology. The portal has become an information guide on COVID-19, where the symptoms, transmission modes, mechanism, various models for the protection of individuals and impact of social distancing have been communicated in an easy to understand manner. Innumerable infographics have been provided for efficient delivery of information, targeting the common man as the largest stakeholder. Research and development efforts made by the ministry and by various funding organizations are also enumerated on this portal. Let's hear more about this resource from Kinkini Dasgupta Misra, who is a scientist at Vigyan Prasar.
The India Science, Technology and Innovation Portal is a central repository of information about science in India. It broadly covers information related to science, technology and innovation on one single platform. The portal focuses on two kinds of content presentation. One is the information content, which includes information about research, technology, funding, opportunities, scholarships, innovation, and another is the communication content, which deals with the feature articles, science and technology highlights, the trend stories, the banner stories. In these critical times, the ISTI portal has created a separate dedicated section on COVID-19, the pandemic, which basically caters to the science and technology efforts being made by the various scientific ministries, science departments and organizations on COVID-19. It has a link to the resources which is available on all the digital platform of Government of India, which is getting updated regularly. The ISTI portal aims to become a knowledge management portal on COVID-19 related information.
That's all for today. We will be back with another edition of COVID-19 Bulletin soon. We hope that you all are safe, sound and staying at home. See you soon. Namaskar.